Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Fresh arrival 1971 Chevelle. Dark green. Body panels are all original. Real nice car, real reasonably priced. Keep you in the low 30s. This thing is a great starter and a great runner. All Edelbrock underneath the hood, 350. Automatic transmission. It's got some headers on there. Power steering. Runs out well. Can make it into anything you want. Get you right in there. Body's super clean, which we look forward to buy at MGM Classic Cars. All your chrome is good. It's got a little custom flame on the hood, which is really nice. All your gaps are real well. Glass is good. It's got weld wheels. Disc brakes in the front. See how well it gaps out, everybody? Dark green. Almost looks black. Look how clean the line is. Great car for somebody. Rear chrome bumpers in good shape. All your glass and moldings are real well. Trunk is clean. Great stance. No real paint flaws. Just get it and drive. Do a little work here and there. It'll only bring you more money back, folks. These are harder and harder to come by in this price range. But definitely enjoyable. Definitely a cruiser. Check out this cabin. All your interior's in good shape. Your seatbelts intact. 6x9s in the back. Headliner's nice and tight. Dome lights working. No cracks on the dash. Excuse me. Look at this. Super clean. Even in the crevices. Southern car. Just the way we like them. $40,040 miles on the odometer. Upgraded Pioneer radio. Fires right up. Let's take this baby for a ride, see how she performs. This will be the first time I'm driving it. Okay, goes into gear. It's a column shift. Oh yeah, good sound. Steering solid. Yeah, when it comes down to the low 30s for Chevelles, they're getting harder and harder to find, especially with great bodies like this. Let this big truck go by. Steering feels good. Doesn't feel any loose in there. Plenty of pickup. Brakes are good. Yeah, let's see what you got. Let's make sure it goes through its gears. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright, this thing runs out good. I hear a little like exhaust leak, but nothing major. Probably easy fix. I always like doing these U-turns. Tells you if there's any crinks in the suspension and stuff like that. And this one doesn't have any. Let this guy go by. Let's see. Nice. Shift through the gears well. Nice 71 Chevelle. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I'll give you my phone number in a minute. Grab a pen or write it down, however you want. We've got over 170 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. We ship them all over the United States, bonded and insured. We also offer special financing with people with good credit up to 180 months. That's right, up to 180 months. You must qualify. Minimum down 10%. We do have some options with no money down if your score is really good. Closer to 800 type of thing. My name is Earl. You can reach me with any questions you may have or anything you may need or appointment at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have a full mechanical shop on premises. We do work. All our cars go through a complete pre-delivery inspection so you know exactly what you're getting. Sometimes we miss a few things, but we're pretty anal ourselves. So give me a call. Let's talk. 773-600-0919. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this car. I did. It's a 1971 Chevelle. Have a great day. You'll see me soon.